Sikkim is a state in northeastern India. It is the least populous and second smallest amongst the Indian states. It borders Nepal in the west, Bhutan in the east, China in the north, and Indian state of West Bengal in the south. A part of the eastern Himalayan range, Sikkim is notable for its biodiversity, including alpine and subtropical climates, as well as being a host to Kanchenjunga or Kanchenjunga, the highest peak in India. We took a flight to Bagdogra near Siliguri and then had a spectacular road journey of 4 hours. But now you can directly fly into the newly built airport near capital Gangtok. We went to Lachung and Yumthang on a trip of 2 days. It takes 8 hours of car drive from Gangtok towards the north, but the journey is as good as the destination. We discovered a mystical wonderland of spectacular natural beauty in Sikkim. The panoramic perfection of the snow-capped Himalayas, lush and thick forests, the meadows decorated with flowers, the vibrant culture, hilly areas decorated by Sikkim's 2 main rivers, the picturesque villages, and several waterfalls have a compelling appeal indeed. The mighty and majestic snow-capped mountains, green valleys, sense of adventure, wilderness, biodiversity, and peaceful plus crime-free state. These factors have made Sikkim a hot destination for tourism. Plus, it is not explored much by tourists, at least not so far. This scenic journey covers about 120 kilometers, but we encountered several waterfalls along the way, and our driver stopped at every waterfall and every photo opportunity, and we had a relaxed lunch break and several tea breaks. We reached the picturesque mountain village of Lachung at night. Lachung is at a height of 8,600 feet above mean sea level. Here we rested in a simple hotel which was more like homestay and had a simple dinner and slept earlier. Got up at 4 am the next morning to go to Yumthang. Lachung is famous for its apples, peaches and apricots. The village has many hotels and lodges and it depends on tourism. Yet it has retained its distinctive culture and tradition, including its unique system of self-governance. We are now heading towards Yumthang, which is situated at a height of 11,800 feet. Some have a smooth glide along the slope on the snow, but a few prefer a rough ride. The only type of vehicles used here is SUV. You need a sturdy vehicle in this terrain. The roads have slopes and curves including hairpin bends, and we regularly have landslides destroying the roads. So the ride is bumpy often. The roads also become narrower after landslides. The drivers here maintain sanity and stop for the other vehicles. They have a far better sense of driving and civic sense than urban folks like us who are aggressive drivers. You need to wear shoes like that for the snow. In the next video, we will go to the capital of Sikkim, Gangtok. You can subscribe to this channel to know when I post that. See you soon.